Alright guys, quick video for you. In my previous video I had talked about wanting to find an activator spray, and on Instagram later that night, because I'm 99.9% sure my phone listens to me, a ad came on, or I saw someone using an activator spray and I asked them what it was. I guess I should pay more attention to who I'm commenting on. It was the company that sells the activator spray that I commented on, and it is Glowforge Accelerator, and it's supposed to work with any kind of super glue. It doesn't work well with Gorilla Glue, but I did find that it works great with the tiny tubes of Lock super glue, and I absolutely love the Lock 60-second one with a bit of the accelerator spray, and count to 5 and you're all set. And once again, I clearly have forgotten to put my phone on mute, and you get to hear the train whistle. So guys, like I said, quick video. Love this stuff. I've been using it for a couple weeks now. It's completely worth every penny that I paid for it. The website did have a bunch of super glues that they recommend to go with it. I will be ordering that sampler pack and let you know what I think. They have 3 different viscosities: the light, the medium, and the heavy. I'm excited to order the sampler pack that they have and see how it does for me. But I can guarantee you that this stuff, absolutely worth every cent that I paid for it, because there's a lot of assembly when you're doing laser stuff. Go check it out. Try it. Let me know what you guys think. Remember, like, subscribe. I'll see you guys later.